Road Dog Crypto. Thank you for tuning back into Road Dog Crypto. I've got 3 more coins to share with you that have a bottom pattern that I'm calling a rocket bottom pattern. It is one of the patterns that as swing traders and long-term holders that we drool after. But before I show you that, let me show you Bitcoin dominance has fallen out of this channel. And you know what this means for altcoins, right? This means that altcoins are going to get a little bit of a rally. So definitely a good time to even jump in for a short-term trade on altcoins. But I'm looking for some really juicy long-term holds, some life-changing gains. So expecting Bitcoin dominance to come down to about 39, is currently about 42. Have a measured move, and that is where it takes us. Now let's move on to the altcoins. Now the first coin we're going to take a look at is Polkadot DOT, which has reached a high of $54. Currently now trading around $7.50, somewhere through there. We haven't seen these prices since around December of 2020. Now, what I want to show you on this is this rounding formation that's slowly forming. This is what happens in the bear market, and we can expect it to bounce on and off of this rounding bottom. But notice how that we have these wedge patterns that are forming while we're rounding. These are the key times to start building up your positions in these coins, because during these formations, it will get to this point and then it will start skyrocketing and taking off. And this is one of the best patterns that I have seen play out, a falling wedge on a rounded bottom. Now, if we zoom into the 4-hour, we can see that we broke market structure right here. So we are expecting a turn to the downside. Now the targets that I have posted as good buy targets for DOT over the next coming weeks, maybe this weekend, maybe the next week or so, but we should see a retracement down and we should be following back along the lines of this rounded bottom. So anywhere between $6.45 on up to $7.18. Basically, I think anything that's under $7 is extremely good for DOT, but the closer that you can get to $5, the better. But we should be getting some downward action here, and there is a measured move from this, which brings us down to the $6.75 mark. So that is what I'm expecting in the near short term for DOT. If you can pick it up there, fantastic. And if you want to do the moonbag strategy, you would sell about $14, $15, sell half, take your capital out, you got your free DOT moonbag to ride up or down. All right, so let's take a quick look at Cardano. I want to give a quick shout out to Landry Carbon for asking me about ADA and DOT. When I took a closer look at those, I realized that they also have this rounding bottom pattern. So I just felt it was imperative to get this out there, because these are 2 that I have been stacking for the past several weeks, little by little, and I'm really ecstatic to find them in a very bullish pattern. Cardano is typically a laggard. Now it's a slow moving coin, so we can expect this one to more than likely take a little while possibly to play out. But over this next month, if you can buy this somewhere between 45 cents to even 50 cents, right now is a good time to start stacking up on this. I've got some targets right here at 43.6 cents, 45.7, 47.6 cents, 49.3 cents. Anywhere under 50 cents is good to start picking up ADA, in my opinion, because this is one that I do expect to start blasting off. Would be an easy one to do the moonbag strategy on. ADA has not yet made the golden cross. That's a sign that it'll take ADA a little bit longer to play out on this rounded bottom, but that gives us a chance to buy ADA under 50 cents, preferably closer to 40. Now, if you were looking for some take profit areas, I would first look at 63 cents and 81 cents. However, my intention on this would be a long-term hold. Sell it in the bull market when it comes. Guys, these are the times that you want to not go all the way in, but start taking some bigger positions in some of these altcoins. Don't throw it all in. Keep some in reserve just in case that we do have a greater pullback. Just in case that the Bitcoin bottom is not in. I do believe it is, but always have something in reserve just in case. And finally, another one that I really like, which has a very nice rounded formation, is Rune. Thorchain Rune. Now, Thorchain has reached a high of around $16, $17, $18, currently under $3. And for the longest time, if you could ever get it in the $3 area, that was a steal. But now see, we've got the same formation, rounded bottom. We have the wedge pattern, which is broken out. Let's go to the 4-hour, check out our targets that I have. I have some sell targets, $3.97, $3.52. If you're looking to take some profit and potentially put that into another coin or even reinvest on a pullback on Rune, we've got that 4-hour golden cross right here, the signal that the trend is changing. This is the time to buy. Prices I've got, hopeful thinking of $2.23, $2.38, $2.52, $2.67. And like I said, anything under 3 is good. I will probably buy a little bit right now where it is at $2.76. Guys, that's all I have for you. I hope this has been helpful. These are some excellent tokens to consider for long-term holds. If they work out for you, that is beautiful. But these are some that I'm personally investing in myself for life-changing long-term hold gains. Until next time, I'm Lane, your crypto road dog, signing off. Be positive, be blessed, and remember, you've got this. Road Dog Crypto.